वो लोग कब आएंगे? When will they come? When will they come? तुम मेरे साथ चलोगे? Will you come with me? Will you come with me? मुझे तुमसे एक जरूरी बात करनी है। I need to talk to you about something important. I need to talk to you about something important. क्या तुम मुझसे मिलने आ सकते हो? Can you come to meet me? Can you come to meet me? मैं कल शाम आपसे मिलूंगा। I will meet you tomorrow evening. I will meet you tomorrow evening. ये तो सिर्फ शुरुआत है। This is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. आपने मेरे लिए बहुत कुछ किया। You have done a lot for me. You have done a lot for me. क्या तुमने अपना काम कर लिया? Did you finish your work? Did you finish your work? अपने बाल ठीक करो, थोड़ा स्मार्ट दिखो। Comb your hair, look a bit smarter. Comb your hair, look a bit smarter. तैयार हो जाओ, हमें निकलना है। Get ready, we need to leave. Get ready, we need to leave. काफी समय से तुमसे बात नहीं हुई। It's been a long time since we spoke. It's been a long time since we spoke. मैंने एक बड़ा फैसला लिया है। I have made a big decision. I have made a big decision. मैं तुम्हारे आसपास ही था। I was just around you. I was just around you. अपना मूड थोड़ा हल्का करो। Lighten up your mood a bit. Lighten up your mood a bit. आलस छोड़ दो, कुछ काम करो। Stop being lazy. Do some work. Stop being lazy. Do some work. तुम्हें यह सब पाने का पूरा हक है। You truly deserve all of this. You truly deserve all of this. अपनी हद में रहना सीखो। Learn to stay within your limits. Learn to stay with your limits. थोड़ा और सब्र करो, सब ठीक हो जाएगा। Just a little more patience. Everything will be fine. Just a little more patience. Everything will be fine. मुझे अपना दोस्त समझो। Consider me your friend. Consider me your friend. तुम्हें कभी मेरी जरूरत हो बताना। If you ever need me, just let me know. If you ever need me, just let me know. मैंने बहुत इंतजार किया. I have waited a lot. I have waited a lot. तुम्हें किसी चीज की जरूरत है? Do you need anything? Do you need anything? क्या तुमने इसे पहले सोचा था? Did you think of this before? Did you think of this before? क्या तुम्हें मुझ पर भरोसा है? Do you trust me? Do you trust me? मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूं. I am with you. I am with you. थोड़ा वक्त लगेगा पर सब हो जाएगा. It will take some time, but everything will be done. It will take some time, but everything will be done. तुम्हें इस बात का पछतावा नहीं होगा. You won't regret this. You won't regret this. क्या तुम मुझसे कुछ छिपा रहे हो? Are you hiding something from me? Are you hiding something from me? मुझे सच्चाई जाननी है. I need to know the truth. I need to know the truth. तुम्हारा समर्थन मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखता है. Your support means a lot to me. Your support means a lot to me. तुम हमेशा मेरे साथ रहोगे? Will you always be with me? Will you always be with me? मुझे किसी चीज की उम्मीद नहीं थी. I wasn't expecting anything. I wasn't expecting anything. क्या तुम्हें मुझसे डर लगता है? Are you afraid of me? Are you afraid of me? कभी कभी मुझे लगता है कि मैं अकेला हूं. Sometimes I feel like I am alone. Sometimes I feel like I am alone. तुम हमेशा समझ से क्यों नहीं हो? Why don't you understand every time? Why don't you understand every time? तुम्हें मुझसे कुछ कहना था. Did you want to tell me something? Did you want to tell me something? तुम्हारे बिना मेरी जिंदगी अधूरी है. My life is incomplete without you. My life is incomplete without you. क्या तुम मेरी मदद कर सकते हो? Can you help me? Can you help me? तुमने मेरे लिए जो किया वो मैं नहीं भूल सकता. I can never forget what you did for me. I can never forget what you did for me. मुझे तुम्हारी बातें याद आती हैं. I miss our conversations. I miss our conversations. तुम इतने उदास क्यों हो? Why are you so sad? Why are you so sad? जरा मुस्कुराओ, सब अच्छा होगा. Just smile. Everything will be fine. तुम हमेशा इतने शांत क्यों रहते हो? Why are you always so quiet? Why are you always so quiet? तुम्हें पता है तुम्हारी हंसी बहुत प्यारी है. Do you know your smile is very lovely? Do you know your smile is very lovely? तुमसे मिलना हमेशा अच्छा लगता है. It always feels good to meet you. It always feels good to meet you. तुम्हें पता है मैं किस बारे में सोच रहा हूं? Do you know what I am thinking about? Do you know what I am thinking about? तुम्हारे बिना दिन अधूरा लगता है. The day feels incomplete without you. The day feels incomplete without you. तुम मेरे लिए क्या हो? तुम खुद समझते हो? Do you understand what you mean to me? Do you understand what you mean to me? क्या तुम मेरी बातें याद रखते हो? Do you remember my words? Do you remember my words? तुमने कभी मुझे याद किया? Did you ever miss me? Did you ever miss me? हमेशा मुझे माफ कर देना. Always forgive me. Always forgive me. तुमने मेरे लिए क्या किया है शब्दों में नहीं कह सकता. What you have done for me, I can't express in words. What you have done for me, I can't express in words. तुम्हें किसी बात से तकलीफ हो रही है? Is something bothering you? Is something bothering you? तुम्हें किस चीज का डर है? What are you afraid of? What are you afraid of? क्या तुम सच में मुझसे खुश हो? Are you truly happy with me? Are you truly happy with me? मुझे समझने की कोशिश करो. Try to understand me. Try to understand me. हमेशा साथ रहना. ये वक्त भी गुजर जाएगा. Always stay with me. This time shall also pass. Always stay with me. This time shall also pass. तुम्हारा भरोसा मेरे लिए सबसे खास है. Your trust is the most special thing for me. Your trust is the most special thing for me. तुम्हें कभी मेरी याद आती है? Do you ever miss me? Do you ever miss me? मुझे हमेशा सच्चाई बताना. Always tell me the truth. Always tell me the truth. कभी तुमने खुद से पूछा मैं क्या चाहता हूं? Have you ever asked yourself what I want? Have you ever asked yourself what I want? तुम्हारी यादों में मैं हमेशा खो जाता हूं. I always get lost in your memories. I always get lost in your memories. तुम मेरे दिल के बहुत करीब हो. You are very close to my heart. You are very close to my heart. क्या तुम मेरे साथ अपना जीवन बिताना चाहोगे? Would you want to spend your life with me? Would you want to spend your life with me? मुझे तुम पर बहुत गर्व है. I am very proud of you. I am very proud of you. तुम हमेशा मेरी पहली पसंद हो. You are always my first choice. You are always my first choice. तुमने मुझे बहुत कुछ सिखाया है. You have taught me so much. You have taught me so much. तुमसे दूर रहना बहुत मुश्किल है. It is very hard to stay away from you. It is very hard to stay away from you. तुम्हारे बिना मैं अधूरा हूं. I am incomplete without you. I am incomplete without you. तुम्हें देखकर दिल को सुकून मिलता है. Seeing you gives my heart peace. Seeing you gives my heart peace. तुम्हें कभी कोई तकलीफ ना हो, बस यही चाहता हूं. I only want you to never face any trouble. I only want you to never face any trouble. तुम्हारे बिना ये दुनिया वीरान लगती है. The world feels empty without you. This world feels empty without you. तुम कब वापस आओगे? When will you come back? When will you come back? तुम्हें मुझ पर यकीन है ना? You trust me, right? You trust me, right? क्या तुम्हें मुझसे कोई शिकायत है? Do you have any complaints against me? Do you have any complaints against me? मुझे अपनी जिंदगी में शामिल करो. Include me in your life. Include me in your life. क्या हम साथ में कुछ समय बिता सकते हैं? कैन वी स्पेंड सम टाइम टुगेदर? कैन वी स्पेंड सम टाइम टुगेदर?